Welcome to the CityCharge V2 installation tutorial, where we turn you into a charging station pro, one smooth move at a time. Before we dive into the installation, here's a quick look at the CityCharge V2 fully installed and ready to power up your electric vehicle. Sleek, modern, and ready to perform. Looks sharp, doesn't it? Stick around, because we're starting from the very first step and taking you all the way there. Let's get to it. You'll find orientation instructions marked clearly on the sides of the box. Look for the top and bottom labels to guide you. Follow safe lifting practices. Grip both sides firmly and lift with control. Once it's standing upright, remove the transparent protective cover. Your charger is now unboxed and ready for placement and connection. Let's take it step by step. Make sure you have all the necessary cables ready. Lower the charging station onto the mounting plate. Now lock it down for real. Tighten all 4 bolts, hitting 60 Newton meters of torque. We're getting precise here because half tight doesn't cut it. Still a little off level? Just slide in some stainless steel washers and dial it in like a boss. CityCharge V2 plays nice with TNC, TNCS, and TT systems, so you've got options. Always follow your local electrical standards and safety guidelines during the connection process. Now plug in the LAN cable to ensure network connectivity. This allows remote access, updates, and smart features. Ensure the Ethernet connector clicks into place for a secure connection. Finally, connect the twisted pair cable, used for DLM smart meter integration. This enables dynamic load management for smarter energy usage. Make sure the connection is clean and properly aligned to ensure reliable communication. Rolling with GSM or 4G? Sweet! Pop a SIM card into the modem. But first, unplug the power supply from the modem and disconnect the LAN cable. Then, gently remove the modem from the charger housing. With the modem in hand, unscrew and remove the antenna. Use a hex key to remove the 2 bolts at the bottom. Take off the cover. Carefully slide the board out slightly for better access. Now, insert the SIM card into its slot. Push the board back into place. Reattach the cover and screw it down. Screw the antenna back on. Finally, reconnect the power and LAN cables and secure the modem back into its slot inside the charger. You're now set for smart connectivity. Time to power this beast up. Start by flipping on the main breakers. Now, close the doors, take a deep breath, and chill for 5 to 10 minutes while the charger boots up. Once it's powered up, the LCD screen's got your back. Just touch to start. Pick your charging slide, flash your RFID tag, tap your bank card, or scan a QR code. Boom, you're ready to charge. Smooth, fast, and looking like a total pro. And that's it! You crushed it! Your CityCharge V2 is installed, configured, and ready to charge. Nice work! Now stand back and admire what you just pulled off.